everyone, I'm going to show you how to see TikTok comment history. So to start, you need to open TikTok app first. And next, click the three lines at the top right. Next, at the bottom, click Settings and Privacy. Now in here, what you need to do is to scroll down and go to Content and Display. And in here, what you need to do is to click Activity Center and tap on Comment History. And this is where you can see all your TikTok comment history. So you can also change the time frame. You can change it to oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So just click on it and it will be changed instantly. You can also click on a comment right here. For example, this one, the first one, I'm going to click on that and see the video. Boy, stay. Now, if we go back here, you can also see your watch history. You can filter the date also. You can see search history. You have ads link history. You have mention history, account history, so on and so forth. So again, you just need to click to your profile at the bottom right and go to the three lines at the top right. Then go to settings and privacy, scroll down and go to activity center and just click comment history. And you'll see all your TikTok comments history. And that's it. Thanks for watching.